my god. What is my life? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something very different I've not done on my channel, although haven't done a nail video in a really long time. So today I'm going to do my nails and apologize for my appearance. I've been in this shirt for like 3 days now. My hair, just everything excused at this point. I've been sick this week with some kind of a cold. It's not COVID, so you guys probably just saw my vlog this week. I also noticed that I'm sick because I don't want to edit the vlog, and it took me so long to edit it, and it's really not even that long, and I didn't have that much footage to begin with. So that's how you know that I'm not feeling the greatest. I'm going to be redoing my nails. I've had this set on for like the last month being off of work, and these last couple weeks I chose to go with an almond vibe. I had my usual long ones, and then I went down to these, and I'm ready to get them off because I'm at the point where my hair is getting caught under them. I also have to film a hair video for my TikTok, so I'm not doing this anymore. Here's to soaking. The first thing I'm going to do is just soak my nails off, and then we'll get into the prep and everything, and I should have not done that yet. Why did I do that? Oh my gosh. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to soak off my nails. I use TikTok hack to taking off like your acrylics, your gel nails, your press-ons, which is hot water, some Dawn dish soap, and a little bit of olive oil. It works like a charm every time. Just let your nails soak in there for like maybe 10-15 minutes. That being said, after my nails off and all prepped and everything, I'll come back and I'll show you guys what I do next and talk. And meantime, I've set up my old TV in here, so now I can watch videos while I'm doing my nails, while I'm doing my makeup. I have prepped my nails, so I guess I'll just kind of walk through you guys what I basically do. So after I soak my nails, I wash them and I cut them down, obviously my natural nails, because they get really long because I tend to not change my sets that often anymore. I used to do it like every 2 weeks, and now I'm like, no, let's do it like once a month. That's a lot of damage to be doing to your nail. File my natural nails down so there's no rough edges, and then I will go in with some, this is basically, it says Formula X, but this is just basically rubbing alcohol in a nail polish bottle that I've had for years, and I'll go in and I will put it on my nails to get rid of any excess oil. File lightly. It depends on my mood. Usually, sometimes I'll use my drill. I have an e-file drill, which makes life so much easier. Sometimes I'll take that to the tops of my nails just to file them down lightly, and then I will change the bit, a rounded one as you guys can see, and I'll go over my cuticles with it. Up until that point, I was not clipping my extra cuticles. I was just kind of like leaving it and was like, whatever, hoping for the best. I just bought a pair of cuticle cutters from TJ Maxx, and I sanitize them before I use them and everything. So they actually, my nails look actually like pretty nice right now. I mean, I would go out like this, but nice. Obviously, after I'm done with that, you guys just saw me put this on my nails again just to get rid of any excess powder or whatever. I could also use this, but this is more so for after when I e-filing to my fake nails. So these are some white tips that I did use before that I'm gonna try and repurpose and use this time for my nails as a white base, because I want to do viral Hailey Bieber whatever nails, and I literally bought this nail polish off Amazon to do that, which it looks like this. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to pick it up, but it's really pretty. Got some goldy pink flecks in it, like, oh, so I'm really excited to use that, and I figure what would be better than to just get a natural nail, which is put it on a white nail if I don't drop them all. Wow, that was really dumb. I hope I have enough for a full set here, because there's some obvious really big nails that I'm not going to be using. I'm going to pick out all my nail tips and then we will go from there, but I just wanted to pop in and show you guys kind of the process, even though I'm not really showing you the process, more like telling you the process. I don't know. This isn't really meant to be an informative video, and I'm not professional by any means. The way I've been doing my nails for the last almost 3 years now, I refuse to go to nail techs. I refuse to go to nail salons. I will never be that ever again. I'm sorry. Maybe one day. I can't really never say never. Never say never. I'm so over going to nail techs because I'm so picky how my nails look that I can't stand when they're all different lengths and different thickness. No, thank you. Again, shout out to the nail techs I did go to. Like, y'all are great. Nah, it ain't for me no more. Like, this is just about, I just need control. I think that's my thing. I want control. Very picky with my nails. Toenails, not so much. Hands, yeah, no. I'll come back and show you guys once they're on my nails, and then we will go from there. I am back. So I just had to reshape a couple of the nails for my hands because this was literally just the perfect amount. Now I'm gonna start gluing, and the glue, there's 2 nail glues that I recommend if you want to get into press-ons press-ons if you wear press-ons or the glue you're using sucks. ADS nail glue. I got mine off of Amazon, or if you buy TsMADDTs, the pink glue, that is like, I mean, the Kiss nail glue is good too. I tried to buy a huge thing of these off of Amazon and it wouldn't let me. I could only buy the 5-piece. I'll have the link below to this glue if you guys want to buy it. I do not have an Amazon storefront. I don't know how to get it to work. That's embarrassing as it sounds, it is the truth. Shout out to whoever knows how to do that, because I don't. The reason why I love this glue more than the Kiss one is because it is, first of all, little goes a long way. Smother the whole nail in glue. Just one dot literally is all you need, because otherwise I feel like they marketed this as nail glue, but it is really deep down, it is super glue with an attitude. As soon as I get it on the nail, I try to work with it as fast as possible. Still do the same. I don't even remember what technique I did in my old video, but do tend to use the nail to like push my cuticle back, and also try to push the nail a little bit under my cuticle just so it looks flush with my nail. But I do not recommend you shoving the whole nail under your cuticle. I've seen videos where people were literally doing that. It has forever now horrified and scarred me. Thank you for that. Thank you so much for putting that in my brain, because I did not need to know. As soon as the glue is on, it dries instantly. Now, by the way, I have to say these nails are not going to be this long because I do start work. Oh, this is crooked. It's my life. My life is a crooked nail. This is Billy, a new Billy, which is an inside joke with Nate, because I used to do my nails while I would talk to him in quarantine, and any crooked nail I would accidentally have, we named it Billy. I go back to work, actually, you guys are watching this Saturday, so Wednesday. I originally thought it was a Monday, so I'm very happy it's not Monday, because not ready. Like I feel like I am, but I'm not. It's complicated. I've loved having my time off and doing whatever I want and sleeping in and hanging out with my friends and having Nate here, but I'm also very, very excited to get back to some kind of normalcy with the job. I feel like every time it just makes me appreciate having time off even more. And I am very, very grateful to have the time off that I do with this job. We'll keep saying it till the cows come home. I am super, 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 super incredibly grateful for my life and for everything that's happened this year for me. And I am just so blessed. I'm a broken record, but it's literally the truth. Would not be here if it wasn't for like you guys and my family and friends, and finally just me realizing, hey, I'm gonna be 30 and I feel stupid because I don't have these things, and now I do, and I just feel very happy and blessed. However, realize there's some stipulations that come with that. Like I said, reasons why I don't like to talk about things, personal things online anymore. My mental health, I'm trying to keep off of online because it's a very, like that's also a very touchy subject, but I'm just, trying to protect my peace and my energy, and I just don't want to cloud my mind with things that don't matter and things that hurt me. And I do have to say though, for the people that made me feel like I was never good enough to be around them, people would often say like, oh, you're jealous, or oh, this and that, or oh, blah, 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 blah. And sure, yeah, maybe that's a little part of it, but also maybe it wasn't fully me, maybe it was also them too. And that sucks. Oh, I want to keep them. I'm sad. I'm gonna have to cut them down. That's the other bad part about this nail glue, is that when it drips, it gets everywhere and it will stick to you and it will suck. Your girl wants to keep them long now. Now I have them on, I'm like, yes, I am that. And now I'm like, I don't know, we'll think about it. I don't know, we'll find out what my decision's gonna be when these nails are glued on, because I have a funny feeling I'm gonna be like, I just want to keep them on for a little while. I'm also shaking because I ate food today, but also did not really eat food today. And thankfully I'm finally feeling better. I don't feel as like sick as I was. That's been so annoying this past week. Like I had to do things with my mom. I wanted to go use the pool. I wanted to go and do all these things, and I freaking can't because I'm sick. Worried if I had COVID. I also heard that someone said like you also shouldn't talk about your accomplishments, because then people are gonna wish, like I feel like people no matter what are gonna wish bad on you, but it's the way you, if you put too much of yourself and your energy out there, then people have so much to, I wouldn't say use against you, but I'd say that people have so much that they could just like ridicule you for, and this and that and blah 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 blah, and like it's just better to like stay quiet and not say a word, because people are gonna have their opinions and feel and think the way that they are, the way that they, whatever with their opinions. And at the end of the day, with some people, you can't change their minds no matter what you do. And I definitely have a Billy. All right, well, if I keep yeah, we're gonna cut them. That was it right there. I'm cutting them. I kind of understand now why like there's some celebrities that like if a big scandal happens, like some of them just don't say anything at all, because it's just so much better to just, because if you say, let me retract a little bit, let me go back. There are some celebrities that get in scandals, or for example Kim and her divorce from Kanye, and we've already seen like in the public of what he's said and what he's done, and you know, stuff towards when she was dating Pete Davidson and all that, which totally not okay. Totally not okay. Not saying either of them are saints, but that was not okay. That would like literally put me like in fear of like my life. I'm not even kidding you. But anyway, like that for example. And Kim just chose to not say a word and to just not retaliate, not say anything. I think that in a way it was good for her to not do that, because if she had retaliated or whatever in the way that Kanye was, things would have been so much worse for her and just so much worse for the situation, because people would have been so much more like on top of her and he and just the whole entire situation versus how she handled it. Not saying that people weren't on her case already, because people already are, because she's Kim Kardashian. She didn't retaliate. She didn't make a statement to the, like she didn't, obviously she did end up making a statement because it was just getting too much, but she didn't say anything after every single time that he did something or said something. That's what I'm trying to get at here. Basically, protect your energy, protect your peace. I'm not even gonna lie, I have a lot of people that I used to be like close with or go to high school with that are muted on my social medias because I just can't, like, no, I'm protecting my peace from that. I'm not gonna let myself feel like crap because I wasn't included or I don't have that or whatever. Like, no. I'm not gonna, I am not the one. So this turned into like a weird video. Sorry guys. Anyway, so now that they are all glued on, I'm gonna put this glue over here because this is my newest addition to the family. I have a random glue that I got from my Tip Beauty nails, which are these. This glue actually works pretty good too if you buy them from TJ Maxx. Then I have the Kiss paint glue. So like the brush on ones, whatever the hell I told you, no, don't buy that. I'm sorry. Don't buy that, because I noticed over time as I would use that glue, it would just, my nails would just keep falling off one by one by one. Even there was one time I had to use it emergency-ish situation. Absolutely not. Don't do that. Next thing I'm gonna do, since we have a couple billies that's going to bother me. Pardon me. I know I'm hearing you guys like, Sam, keep the nails, keep the nails. I'm gonna have to cut them anyway. I'm gonna cut them right above where I want them because I have cut these way too short before, and we are going for some short squares. I actually kind of miss having short square nails. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. And they're probably gonna be shorter than what I'm cutting them as right now. It's better to just rip the band-aid off and just do it, because this was either gonna have to happen now or happen before I went back to work, and that was going to be such a pain. File. This is the file that I use. I've had this for 2 years. Don't know if we're supposed to do that, but this is a professional washable file, 100/180 grit. I use the one that's like rougher. I don't know what you call it. Nail files. I know that's like some kind of ASMR for people. I always start with my pinky too, just because it just makes life easier. I'm just going to go file these, get them all prepped, and file the outsides of them so they're rough. And we're back. So I have successfully cut down all my nails. They are tiny little chiclets. Prepped the surface of them mainly because I've noticed that if you try to put gel polish on top of a press-on nail or even any kind of nail, even a tip or whatever, you need to file it first. Otherwise the gel polish does not stick as well and it will eventually like peel off, and it's not a fun time. It's a little trick that I've learned doing press-on nails. Now I'm going to go in with this color. Again, I'll put this in the description. This is the one that I bought because I didn't want to mess with chrome powder. I make enough of a mess here already. Like, I don't need to be using any chrome powder to be making any more messes. I'm not even gonna try and say the name of this, and it doesn't say what the name of it is, but it says it has the color on the has the color on the top. I'm gonna try and do maybe one coat of this and see how it looks. I'm trying to go like really crazy, but like the color fleck. Personally, I just cannot be bothered to do powder. Like, I just can't. The normal chrome nails, like I love like this kind of fleck. Ooh, that's so pretty. Good news. Did you guys hear that Barbie Ferreira is leaving Euphoria? And I am devastated. I mean, I only started watching it last year. We don't really have like a reason, but everyone is speculating it's because she wasn't getting along with like the creator of the show and they couldn't agree like on her character development or something, which is actually really upsetting because I really love Kat as a character, since again, us big girls out there, always had to, I love that, basically I love that she was playing a character that was a bigger girl, was a thick girl, you know, me and like a lot of other girls out there, because growing up, you know, it's like you see that, at least for me, the thick girl, the bigger girl was always the dork or the nerd or the duff, you know, like, and that's not nice. And I feel like we've finally come to a society where bigger girls are more accepted and all that. I am very, very upset, especially since I wanted to see like her character plot line, or that guy that watching her streams and stuff. Like, I wanted to see more of that and what was going to happen, if she's going to get like blackmailed or something. I don't know. Barbie in general is a really great actress. It's just it's all around, it's a loss, and it sucks. There's nothing more powerful than a fat girl that doesn't give a and let that be known. Let it be known. I'm watching Carly videos. This is what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna do one coat. The only bad part about filing them is that you do have to get like a buffer and buff the top of the nails afterwards, otherwise it's gonna look really, really bumpy and crazy, and I feel like a couple of my nails are gonna look like that when I take them out of here, so I'm not thrilled about that, but it is what it is. And then I just take top coat, which this one's the Beetles top coat. I've just been using mainly Beetles products. They've been working very well for me. As far as gel nail polish, I've repurchased this like twice now. I do have other brands of like gel polish that I like. Ooh, she pretty. I wonder if I should do 2 layers though. I've also definitely learned that when it comes to gel polish, less is more. And if you don't want your nails to have weird bumps at the top of them, as soon as you put gel polish on, like try to keep your hand like this. At least if it floods into the cuticle, you can file that. I mean, you could file it either way, but I don't know. I just can't stand when I put gel polish on and before I get the chance to cure it, forms like these bumps at the top of my nail, and I can't stand that. Literally being sick has just thrown your girl off so bad, it's not even funny. I'll come back when they're done and I'll show you guys, and we'll conclude this do nails with me / ramble, I don't even know what this is, video. But it's different than a get ready with me. It's do my nails with me. Hi guys, so it's been a few days since I did my nail video, and I forgot to show you guys the after, so that's why I'm here. This is the after. Hopefully the sunlight can show off the chrome. If not, you guys have probably seen them already on my TikTok and my Instagram. I really like how they came out. Cuticle, I don't really like that much. I'm still just an amateur girl. I just like to do my own nails. As I've said before, I'm very, very picky. I love my nails. I definitely want to get another like chrome gel polish, so if you guys have any like ones that maybe have like a pink tone to it, not like just the blue, but also like a pink, you know, vibe, like let me know down below. On Amazon I did find one, but I think I might hold off on getting it for now, just because, you know, I just wanted to come on here and say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to do more do my nails with me video, or actually me showing you what I actually do, let me know down below. I've been putting it off mostly because, and I filmed it a couple times and never posted, just because I feel like it's like boring, and it's a very tedious process, at least for me, because I'm very, like I said, I'm very, very, very particular about my nails. Do not want them all different lengths. Like, I make sure they're all the same length. I don't care, on both hands. So there's that. But let me know if you guys would like to see that and any other videos for fall. And yeah, I don't know, I'm really exhausted right now, so I apologize that like if videos are just like, because I am dead right now. I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed. Turn bell notifications so you know when the I post a new video. And I go back to work and like don't want to do that. No, I don't. I'm scared. I love you guys. Bye.